Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we're gonna draw Hinozall from Yokai Watch 2, Psychic Specters. Okay, so basically, in Yokai Watch Blasters, Hinozall is a final boss. And, well, he's a really successful businessman, and possibly he's kind of evil. I know, he's from the Shady Tribe. The Shady Tribe is not really a good place to go, even though it's really useful. Okay, so let's get started. We're burning daylight out here, guys. Let's go. So anyways, Hinozall is, well, he's this business chairman. So let's get started. Let's draw his eye. Now we just draw his eyebrow here. Yeah, Hinozall. Don't forget, yeah, about that project. Yeah, I know. There we go. Now we just draw his head. Now we just draw the crown here. Hey, Dad. There we go, there's his head. Now we just draw his neck. There we go. And here's the line above his head. Like he's always antsy and always exhausted. I know he doesn't work alone. He's got minions to help. I'm sick of all these. Sick of the wind blowing stuff away. Can someone give me a hand here? There we go. There's his sleeves here. Hey, Hinozall. You select the music this time. Alexa, play Dragon Ball Heroes Remix.
I couldn't find the version you requested, but here is the popular version Dragon Ball Heroes by Masako Extreme.
Okay, so here's his hand here. Now we just draw his fingers.
Everybody has an
go. Here's his finger. Now we just draw the keyboard, his keypad. There we go. There we go. Now here's his hands here. Here's his hand here. Just draw his thumb. Here we have him holding a piece of paper. Now we just draw his screen here. Another fact about hinozall, here's his flat screen here. And here's his other hand here. There we go, there's his phone. Hey, hinozall, can you help me out again? Yes. One bookmark, please. One stamp. Hold on. hinozall, can you help me out again? Take two? Yes. One paperweight, yes, one paperweight, please. Thank you. There we go. I'll just draw this soon. Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Universe Mission by Mark.
He doesn't work alone. He's got employees to help him in his quest. Now we just draw the coffee mug here.
with a slam, slam, slam. Start the battle in a jam, jam, jam. The final hit is a bam, bam, bam. This heartbeat past my head, let's get started.
There we go.
Then we crash, winning in the rough.
Got the coffee mug.
All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's the tale of the pros when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
There we go. Now we just draw the 3DS in his other hand. Because, you know, he's kind of a video gamer. I have a 3DS too. I don't even know why they have these in the game. That takes care of that. Now we just draw the bottom of the desk. There's the bottom ghosts. Here we have a sleeping ghoul. Now we just draw this guy. There we draw a smaller eye. He doesn't work alone. He has his minions to do his work. And did I forget to mention that he has his own yokai watch? That cheater, he stole all of Nate's yokai. I bet Hydabat put him up to this. I mean, he's got the ability to summon Jabanyan, Tattletale, Mangy Mutts, and Gilgaros. Takes care of that. Now we just draw the swirly thing. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
And lastly, we draw the last swirl here. The spirit. The dark blue spirit. And there we go. That's how you draw a hinozall. But when I say he knows all, he knows all. This intelligent demon is ready to terrorize your neighborhood. He could create his own game consoles and his own game zones. The dude is unstoppable. And don't forget about that secret project. It's coming soon. Okay, shut up. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And which one of your favorite final bosses do you prefer? Please like and rock and subscribe below, and I'll get back to you on what kind of character you guys want me to draw next. There's the smoke coming out of his mug. I fixed up the 3DS for him. Anyways, I'll see you guys soon. Stegosaurus, see you later. And trust me, hinozall will be back.